Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. This is another free AI coding setup that we will do, and here we will do the setup with the Claude Code and Minimax M2.5 free model with the help of opencode, because inside opencode you will see that Minimax M2.5 are free to use. And why Minimax M2.5 model? Here you see, if you go to their blog post of Minimax M2.5, they have compared this model with the Anthropic Claude Opus 4.6 and also Claude Opus 4.5, and from this SW Bench Verified and also SW Bench Pro and Terminal Bench 2, you can see that it has almost same kind of capability like the Opus 4.6 and 4.5. So that's why this model has a lot of capability to fight with this Opus 4.6 or 4.5. Okay, so how to do this setup? First of all, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. This will help you a lot to get all of the instant news, instant notification. And also, please follow me and please subscribe me on CodeDG YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start the video step by step. First, go to this website opencode.ai. I have given the link in description, and here you will find this npm command. So just copy it and open the terminal or command prompt and run this. And here you see that it will add some packages globally. After that, opencode will be installed in your machine, and after that, what you need to do that, open the cmd. Let me open that, and here just write open code. Okay, open code, and press enter. Now you will see that it will start the open code CLI. Okay, now here we will do the API connection setup. So how can you do that? So for that, uh, here you see that Gen option. Okay, you see that Gen option, go to this Gen, and here you will find this login option. So just click on this login, and after that you will find this kind of page, and here on the left hand side you will find these API keys. So just go to this API keys tab, and here you will find this create API key. Click on that, and here give any name ABC, and after that click on this create. Now you will get one API key, and here you see that I have created this API key open code Claude. Okay, now copy this API key. It will be needed to do the setup with Claude Code. Okay, and also I will use this API key inside the open code. Now what I will do that, I will just type slash, and here you will find many options. So just select this connect. Okay, and after that here you see connect a provider. Select this open code Gen, and here you need to paste the API key. So you can paste that API key here. Okay, and let me just copy it again, and here paste it. Control V, I think. Yes, now enter. So now you see that all of these models like Big Pickle, Minimax M2.5 free, Nemotron 3 super, this model you will find it. And we are interested to go with this Minimax M2.5 free model because we need the same capability like the Opus 4.6. So that's why Minimax M2.5. Okay, now we need to connect this with the Claude Code. How can you do that? First of all, you need to install the Claude Code. There are many lot of videos you will find over the internet to install the Claude Code, so that's why I am not showing you that Claude Code installation. Now after installation of Claude Code, you need to find the .claude folder inside your operating system. So I am using the Windows, that's why I am showing you the Windows, that how to find the .claude folder. And if you are on Mac or Linux, then please find that inside your machine. So first of all, go to your user, and after that here you will find this .claude, and inside that you will find the settings.json file. So open that settings.json, and here you see I have already done the environment setup, and for that you need this JSON, this environment. Okay, so Anthropic base URL is this open code, and Anthropic model is this Minimax M2.5 free, and Anthropic API key. So the API key that you have got from the open code website, here this API key you need to place it here. Okay, and after that enable tool search 2. Okay, so now just copy this and paste it here. Okay, paste it here like this. Now save this file, and after that open your Claude Code. Okay, so let me in front of you again open the Claude Code, and let me close this session. So cmd. Okay, and here just write this Claude and press enter and trust the folder, and here I just write slash model, and here you see it is showing this Minimax M2.5 free, this custom model. Now I'm selecting this and press enter, and you will see that it will select this model, and it will use that. Now if I just write hi, and you will see that this model is also pretty fast, and you will get the fast response. So it is responding hey. So if I just write again hey and press enter, and you see that yo. So you can easily communicate with this Claude Code with the help of Minimax M2.5 free with the help of opencode. Okay. Now another thing is that many of you gets confused whether there is any limit inside opencode for this free model. So I personally have not got any kind of message from opencode that you have hit the free usage limit or your limit got exceeded. But on internet I have searched and I found that there is a 16-hour cooldowns limit for the free models, and you will get this kind of message, free usage exceeded. So any of you guys have faced this kind of issues previously with opencode, please let me know in the comment section, so other users also will get will be benefited from your contribution. Okay, so please put a message in comment section. So this is the procedure guys, and if you found this video helpful and if you want to get this kind of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.